Hello everyone, welcome back to Kyoto. Today we are going to show you how to replace the battery on the Oneplus 60 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First is the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the rear cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. Carefully work around on edges, and once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the back cover. In between, insert a plastic carpet tool and gently cut the adhesive. Take out the back cover and undo the screw to release the protector shield. Now you can disconnect the battery connector, and to take out this battery, soften the protected adhesive to the side and lift it using the red indicator. Be sure to hold the phone while you are pulling out the battery. Replace the new battery and paste the adhesive back. Make sure to connect the battery plug and the protector shield by adding the screw. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we add in two tightened rubber bands to bond the back cover. Leave it for about an hour and remove the rubber bands. On the professional level, you can use screen bonding clips. Hope you have enjoyed the battery replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.